every time I pass by, though, this is like I can't help but to look over here because all the bikes would be sitting outside. But today was the day I decided to stop. I had to come by today, and I've seen the bikes you did for Slim Thug, man, and Young Lace. Man, ever since I've seen those bikes, man, and just all the pictures I see compared to other bikes, there's some other badass builders out there, man, like in other cities and states, but for Houston, yeah, y'all shut it down, man.
Thank you, buddy.
So yeah, y'all do phenomenal work, man. So had to come get some footage, man.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Eric, and you're the owner.
Yeah.
Okay, man, which one of these bikes you ride?
All of them.
All of them? God dang, so they all, I thought it was all customers' bikes, so all of them.
No. I mean, they're all customers' bikes, but I mean, I ride pretty much whichever.
Okay. Man, I appreciate you for letting me get some footage, man. Yeah, I'm posted up on my YouTube channel, man. Fast Lifestyle TV, man.
All right,
so.
yeah, follow mine, it's Powerhouse Custom Cycles.
Okay, and I'll pull yours up, man, to check it out. All right, man. Again, I appreciate it for letting me get some footage, man.
Anytime, bro.
And hopefully, like I said, if I ever get enough money, I can come get a bike from you,
Yeah,
man.
man. Thanks for spreading the love.
Oh, yeah, for sure, man. Thanks, bro.